Yeah, let's solve question 1. So question 1 says, if X is equal to this matrix that has rows 2, 3, and 1, 4, Y is another matrix 1, 5, 0, 3, and Z is another matrix 6, minus 1, 1, 2. The question says, find 5x minus 2y plus 2z. Now, this is multiple choice, so the procedure doesn't matter that much. You just need to get the correct answer. So if I was in the exam hall, this is what I would do. So since this is what we're looking for, 5x, so I will get my 5x. So 5x will be 5 multiplied by all the elements in x. So 5x becomes 10. That's 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. This is our x, so multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So this is 5x. Now I will get my 2y. So the 2y is, that's 2 multiplied by each of the elements in y. So 2y will give us 2. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 5x, 2y, and then 2z. So 2z will give us 2 multiplied by 6 is 12. 2 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 2. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. And 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So to get 5x minus 2y plus 2z, so I'll just pick, remember when you are adding matrices, when the dimensions have to be equal and all dimensions are equal, so we'll just pick for the same position. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So our 5x minus 2y plus 2z becomes, so our first row, first column will be this, that's this minus this plus this. So this minus this plus this. So 10 minus 2, that's 8. 8 plus 12, that's 20. And as you solve, you look at the options. In fact, our correct answer is C already, because only this one has 20. This is a minus 20. And then you check very well before you draw your conclusion. Check, just ensure that you've done everything correctly. So our correct answer will be 20 if what we have done here is correct. But let's just finish it for the sake of lecture. Okay, so first row, second column, we have 15 minus 10. That's 5. 5 plus 2. Sorry, 5 plus minus 2. 5 plus minus 2, that's what? 3. That 5 plus minus 2 is simply 5 minus 2, which is 3. So that's how we got this 3. So I think we've consolidated that answer. For the sake of lecture, let's finish it. Okay, so second row, first column. Remember, it's this minus this plus this. So 5 minus 0, that's 5. 5 plus 2, that's 7. And then 20 minus 6, that's 14. 14 plus 4, that's 18. So our correct answer is option C. And that's obvious. Okay, so that was number 1. Kindly subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.